Mark, wake up.
What time is it?
It's 7 already.
I want to sleep more.
No, you must get up now.
5 more minutes, please.
No, you will be late.
Late for what?
Late for work.
Oh no, I forgot.
Yes, hurry. Get out of bed.
Okay, I am getting up. Did you brush your teeth?
Not yet. I'm still sleepy.
Go and brush your teeth now.
All right, I'm going.
Don't forget to wash your face.
Yes, I will wash it.
Do you want breakfast?
Yes, I am hungry.
I made eggs and bread.
That's good. Thank you.
Hurry, your tea is getting cold.
Okay, I will drink it now.
Do you feel awake?
A little, but I need coffee too.
You already have tea.
I know, but coffee makes me strong.
You are funny.
What about you? Did you wake up early?
Yes, I woke up at 6.
Wow, that's early.
Yes, I like mornings.
I don't like mornings.
That's why you are always late.
Maybe you are right.
Look at the time. It's almost 8.
Oh no, I must hurry.
Yes, put on your shoes.
Where's my bag?
On the chair.
Okay, I got it.
Don't forget your phone.
Thank you, I almost forgot.
Be careful on the way.
Yes, see you later.
Have a good day at work.
Thank you. Bye, Mark.
Bye, Emily.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, thanks. And you?
Good, thank you. Do you come to this park often?
Almost every Saturday. How about you?
This is my first time here. What's the name of the park?
It's called Sunnyside Park.
Do you live near here?
Yes, just 5 minutes away.
What do you do on the weekend?
I take walks, I read, and sometimes I watch movies.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like action movies. And you?
Comedies and romantic movies. Do you have a favorite movie?
Yes, a famous animated movie about a boy who loves music. Do you know it?
Of course. It's a beautiful movie. You said you read. Do you read every day? Almost every day.
What book are you reading now?
A simple book in German. It's very interesting.
Exciting.
Do you like listening to music?
Yes, a lot. I listen to rock and tango.
Do you dance the tango?
No, but I want to learn. There are classes at the community center.
Really? I'd love to go. When are they?
Wednesday at 6 p.m.
Do you go every week?
Yes. Do you want to come with me this Wednesday? You just need comfortable shoes.
I'd love to. How long is the class?
1 hour. We could get a coffee after.
That's a great idea.
Super. I'll see you on Wednesday.
Let's meet here in the park at 5:30.
Perfect. Thanks. This was a nice conversation.
I think so too. See you Wednesday. Hello, taxi.
Hello, miss. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the train station.
Okay, please get in.
Thank you.
Do you have luggage?
Yes, just one small bag.
All right, I will put it in the trunk.
Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Please sit down.
Okay, I am ready.
Do you want air conditioning on?
Yes, please. It's very hot.
No problem.
How long will it take to the station?
About 15 minutes.
Is there traffic now?
A little, but not too much.
That's good. I don't want to be late.
Don't worry, we will be on time.
How much does it cost?
Around $20.
Okay, that is fine.
Do you often travel by train?
Yes, I go to the city every week.
Do you drive a taxi every day?
Yes, every day. It can be hard, but I like it.
Look, we are almost at the station.
Oh, very fast.
That will be $20, please.
Here you go. Keep the change.
Thank you very much.
Goodbye.
Goodbye and have a safe trip.
Good morning. Can I see your passport and ticket?
Yes, here they are.
Where are you flying today?
I am flying to New York.
How many bags do you have?
2 bags.
1 bag is over the limit.
Oh no, what can I do?
You can pay extra.
Okay, I will pay.
Please put your bags on the conveyor.
Sure.
Do you have liquids or electronics?
Yes, a laptop and some water.
Please take them out.
Okay.
Here is your boarding pass, gate 12.
Thank you very much.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Of course. What do you need?
I can't find my seat.
Your seat is 12B on the right side.
Thank you.
Do you need help with your bag?
Yes, please. It's heavy.
I can put it above.
Thank you very much.
Are you comfortable now?
Almost. I'm a little nervous.
Don't worry. Flying is very safe.
Can I have some water, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you.
Would you like a snack?
Yes, please.
Here is a sandwich and fruit.
That looks nice.
Do you need a blanket?
Yes, it's cold.
Here you go.
Much better.
If you need anything, call me.
Thank you so much.
Enjoy your flight.